Right guys, so blue or black pen for your answer and purple pen for your progress steps. Right guys, can you make sure you're liking this video and sharing it with your friends from other schools, okay? Can you please make sure you touch on the three dots in the top right hand corner and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I do a post. Okay, the more people I can reach with this, the better it is. And again, I'm doing it for free, so I want to reach as many and help as many people as I possibly can. Okay, so first one. A bit of sequences, okay? This is one of those easy repetitive questions that comes up in maths, especially intermediate and higher tier. There are questions that repeat themselves, but they just change the numbers. Okay, they're the same every time they come up. Okay, sequences is one of those. Okay, so the things that are going to change, this is going to change each time, and then this is going to change each time. These numbers down by here, but they're going to ask you nth term, and they're going to ask you to substitute into the top sequence in part A. Okay, so very, very straightforward marks. Now, all you've got to do on part A, it'll say the first three terms, it might say the 20th term, it might say the 15th term. Whatever number term they want, all you've got to do is substitute that in instead of n. So if I got 2n take away 5 and I want the first three terms, I want term 1, 2, and 3. I've got to do 2 times 1 take away 5 instead of that. 2 times 2 take away 5 instead of that. And 2 times 3 take away 5 instead of that. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 take away 5 is minus 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Take away 5 is 1, minus 1. And 2 times 3 is 6. Take away 5 is positive 1. Okay, so your first three terms are minus 3, minus 1, and positive 1. Easy marks. Okay, on the second part, write down an expression for the nth term of the following sequence. Now, I've gone over this a couple of times. It's very straightforward. Okay, there's going to be a number in front of the n, which is these jumps by here. Okay, those jumps. And there's going to be a number after the n, which is the number that comes before the first number. Now, my jumps each time, it goes up in 4, 4, 4. So you go up in 4 each time. So the number in front of the n is going to be 4. And the number before the first number, if it's going up in 4s, and a 7 is my first one, if I take away 4, I get positive 3. So it's 4n plus 3 is my nth term. Okay, and it literally is that every single time. Whatever it goes up in, goes in front of the n. Whatever comes before the first number, goes after the n. Right guys, if you enjoyed these videos, okay, can you please like and share them with your friends? Please take a photo of your answer and tag me at CrossMaths. And please make sure you're practicing these very, very easy repetitive questions. Okay, they're not difficult, they're the same every time, and they're worth learning.